have got a Swift Desire vehicle. So there is some problem. After diagnosis, we replace the ECM. So after replacing the ECM, we need to calibrate the injectors. So our students, Mr. Atta, is came from the Canada. Start the process of injectors calibration. So sir, please start how to calibrate the injector in the vehicle. So please proceed to step by step.
So first we go to diagnosis.
Okay.
When you select the car, it's Maruti car.
Okay. All models.
16
Okay.
pin, then go
It's
select
engine.
the engine.
Okay. It's select the okay.
Then special function. We go to read injection.
Read injector code calibration. है ना? This is a injector number, cylinder number 1. It's a injector number, cylinder number 2, injector number, cylinder number 3, and cylinder number 4. So we have to change the number. So go to the OK.
Replace injector.
Yes, replace injectors. Injector number 1 is we need to select F1, F2, F3 and F4, and we put the number, this cylinder number. Then go to the F1. Then select this earlier number. Cylinder number 1 is AAA EB TB 6R. Okay, enter. Okay, so please see here, injector replaced completely successfully. It's okay. Then F2, select the F2. Number is BIA 7B 0E B8. Yes. Okay. Okay. Please correct the number. It's not 0, it's O. BO. Yes, remove. Okay. 7 B OE E B8. 8. Okay. Okay. Then it's a completed successfully. Number 2. Okay. Then number 3 is F3. Okay. Enter the number A1A SB X triple A. Yeah, X triple A. Okay. It's successfully. Then enter the number 4. F4. Okay. AIA GB 6877. 6877. Okay. Okay. Its injector replace completed successfully. Okay. We see here our injector replaced successfully. Then now we have to start the engine and check the correct processor working correctly or not. It's okay, sir.
Okay. In this car, the ECM was replaced, so we had to do some calibrations to like the other computer modules, and most important, to recalibrate the injectors to input the injector codes again.
So, how's your experience and how much take it time to correct this process?
Like to put the codes.
Yes.
It's very fast process. Does not take long time.
And it's too easy.
It's easy. It's not complicated.
Now we understand vehicle variant registration. In a vehicle variant registration, this is a Swift Desire. So select the model. Okay. Then we have to first check the data. Which data is available. After replacing the ECM, we have to learn ECM to BCM and AC also. And if there is ABS, then ABS also. Okay. So just we check data is F1. Then we said there is a no AC and no BCM is connected. So we see here, there is a no AC and no BCM is pairing with ECM. So we need to pair. After we change the ECM, so we need to pair ECM and BCM and AC is also in the part of the vehicle. Okay. So then we need go to the registration mode. Okay. And entering the registration, vehicle variant setting for ECM, turn ignition switch on and press OK to on. Ignition switch on. Okay. Then OK. Select the variant vehicle with AC and without AC. So we need to select with AC. Our vehicle is AC mode, AC variant. Okay. Then with BCM, our vehicle is also having a BCM.
Yeah.
So we need to select with BCM F1. Okay. Then ECM setting completed. Confirm registration information into data list. Then we OK and select the data list, and we see here our AC and BCM module is also applied. So it is also connected to ECM also. So it is the process. If we replace ECM, then we need to pairing with him what functions are there in our vehicle. Okay.
Yeah, so that was the process of placing the new ECM in the car. So first we did put the codes for the injectors. Then we had the other modules like the DC and BCM not configured or recognized by the ECM. So we have to do this registration process so that the ECM can know that this car is equipped with AC and BCM also.
Okay. So this is the process, and we have to learn every time this type of concerns if there is some change components, some change the control modules.
Right.
Okay.